Hello everyone. So today I'm going to review Laneige lip gloss which is in shade cherry. So this is going viral on social media, so I just think that let's buy this and review it with you. And as you can see, the packaging is good. So I'm going to open this, and the lip gloss looking good. The color is also looking good, and let's try this on my hand and show you the texture and the gloss color. So as you can see, the texture is good, and if you blend this, so it's give you the lightest shade. And yeah, this is really good. So I think you all need to use this for your daily use, or you're going colleges or schools. So yeah, this is good. So you buy this. Thank you. Stay connected.